Ladies and gentlemen, I really enjoyed to have you here right now and welcome to my new dream workshop. And today I will give you a quick room tour of this workshop, so enjoy it. This is the main area where I can fix and upcycle and build new bikes. So here are the table for the bikes and of course the tool wall. Here I still have to do some work. This is the workbench for more heavy stuff. Right here I have my mini lathe, my drilling machine, my milling machine, a belt sander, a bandsaw. And this here right now is my grinding and welding area. So right here we have an aluminum plate, also with a vise, a small vise of course. And I'm very proud of my WIG AC/DC machine. So I can weld aluminum. I can weld, but I can't do pretty welds. Not yet. Right now it's quite cold outside, so this is a very good friend. Some firewood, some wheels. On this side we have all the bike components, also a pressure washer. Yeah, and now something really nice. My bathroom. Also very important, don't touch this mug. And this is awesome because I have my own very small spray painting cabin. Woo! Also with a suction. And the suction goes right outside to the window. So right now this is the view from the bathroom. And as you can see, there are some projects I already mentioned. For example, the 8,000 kilowatt e-bike, the bamboo frame and things like that. So, and here we have the other half of this building. Behind this court is my workshop you just saw. And right now we are standing in my bike shop I just opened this summer called Upcycle, where I upcycle bikes and sell them. And here's the place where I take the photos. And also, by the way, here's my last project I uploaded. So if you want to see the video about the bike frame built from metal change, just take a look in the last uploaded video. And yes, this is this half. Here I have also some bike stuff. I really hope you enjoyed this very quick room tour. And if you don't want to miss the next project, for example, like the 8,000 kilowatt e-bike or the bamboo bike frame or things like that, please subscribe and turn on notification. I would love that. Thank you and bye bye.